If you ever reset your phone, or lost your phone, or can't access your Authenticator app, or have no signal for SMS, then your backup codes are a reliable way to recover a Gmail account. Google Backup Codes are a set of single-use, 8-digit codes that Google provides as a backup method for signing into your account when you can't receive two-step verification codes through your phone or authentication app. Each code can be used only once. Google provides 10 codes at a time. Each code is a simple 8-digit number. Can access offline, no internet or device needed, just the code. You can download or print them and store them securely. You can regenerate a new set anytime, and once you regenerate it, it invalidates the old set. Now let's get started. First, open any web browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome. Next, search for Gmail account recovery. From the search results, click on How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Scroll down until you find the Forgot Your Password. Then click on the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Alright, go ahead and enter the email address you wish to recover, then click Next to proceed. Now you have the option to recover your Gmail account using backup codes. Enter one of your backup codes here, and then click on Next. Now you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using backup codes. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got stuck? Drop your question in the comments. I'm here to help.